Today I wanted to make a video to get some information out. Some information about how my online piano lessons look and feel. Here's a question that I get asked pretty often by people who are interested in online piano lessons. People want to know if online is as good as in person. The teaching doesn't change. The tuition doesn't change. You get the same quality. The medium is different. That's the only difference. And as you will see in this video, I took every step to make the online medium as effective as it can possibly be. So without me talking too much, let me show you what I do in my online piano classes. Now, first of all, you want to see what's happening. So I have a multi-camera setup. I have one camera at the front for talking. This is when I talk to my students so that I can make a direct eye contact. And I find this very effective. Then, of course, you want to see what I do with the piano. So I have one camera on the top of the piano, a bird's eye view. Now, with this, you can see my movements on the horizontal axis. You can see what happens on that axis. And of course, there is also a good bit of my body as well, because you don't just want to see my hands. You want to see my arms. You want to see my elbows. So that's the top view. That's one of the cameras that I have set up. Then I have another camera on the side right there, because you want to see what happens on the vertical axis as well. See, you want to see that range of movement too. So when it comes to, see, the vertical axis of movement, you need a side camera to show that, and that's what I've done. And of course, there is a camera for the pedal as well, so that you can see this very important part of the piano. And then I have them combined, so that you can see everything at once. Now, for extra clarity, those cameras can be zoomed in and out, so that you can see in detail what I'm doing with my hands. As well as the hardware, there is a good bit of software involved. So let me show you how I use it. Now, that's a handy little thing that as I play, it shows you the keys that I'm playing. So that takes away the doubt, which key is that? There's no doubt. Now, when it comes to sheet music, I just open the PDF, and then with the graphic tablet, I can annotate the PDF as I wish. So I can make any annotation on the score directly. If I'm making a notation, I can say, look, that's a C major scale. Say, for example, I can tell the student, play from there to there, just the right hand, or play from there to there, just the left hand. I can focus the student's attention by drawing directly on the score. And then, of course, I can erase everything. And I can also combine all of those things. A nice combination, for example, is this, where I get a little bit of the score, a little bit of the PDF, the sheet music, the flashing color keys on top of my actual piano keyboard, and my piano keyboard, all layered. So I can say, I'm going to play from there to the end of the phrase. Say I'm going to play that phrase, and the student can see the keys that I'm pressing and the part of the music that I'm actually performing. Especially for music theory, I like to use this. Now that's a nice little tool that It can show you the notes. It can show you chords. It can show you chord progressions. Intervals. Scales. Modes. So as you can see, I've taken all the steps, I've done everything I could to make the online medium as effective as it can be. If all of that sounds like something that you would like to experience, get in touch.